When I take a walk, I have a habit of collecting a couple of flowers every summer, putting them in my book without any further plans of using them in any way. But recently, I got this idea. Why don't I try to make a collage using my pressed flowers and some of those prints I created last year with a gel plate. Here I will show you a basic process how I created this background for one of the prints. And this is just an excerpt from the video I created last year when I used the jelly plate for the first time. If you have not tried this medium yet, you are missing a lot. This is so much fun. I love it. It's one of my projects to do very soon. I have so many projects waiting for me, but jelly plate is just amazing. If you want to watch the whole video, how I used it first time, and this was one of the prints that actually turns out to be quite successful, I will put the link in the description. And also, if you would like to skip forward to see how I applied the flowers on the background, you're welcome to use the timestamps. I always thought that it would be kind of difficult to make collage from real flowers without prior knowledge on how to handle it. So normally, I would do a lot of research and watch a bunch of videos on YouTube and see how other people had done it. But here I decided to try and do it myself without any homework whatsoever. I was just so curious how it may look and hoped that my creativity would guide me through the process, which it did. So I got this glue, I got the flowers, and a few tools that I thought those would be appropriate to use, and just decided to go with it. I recorded the process just in case it turns out to be successful, and indeed, it was successful. I'm very pleased with the results. And if you watch the process, you will see that it's much easier than you think to apply those fragile little petals of real flowers to summer collage. So here you can see that I am just playing with the composition. I wanted to make something very, very simple. This glue is really good. I bought it for repairing my books, and here I decided to try it with the flowers. Why not? And it's actually perfect. It is neutral pH. It dries completely clear. It doesn't leave any residue at all. It remains flexible. What else can you ask for? So I would highly recommend this glue. In this video, I kind of abbreviated the process. I recorded most of it. And thank you for watching through the whole video. If you're interested, I won't blame you if you don't. I am always trying to edit my videos to the point that I just show the highlights of the process. I remove any tedious details and some repetitions. So I am sharing with you most of the process. In case if you want to try it for the first time, and you might feel intimidated just like I was, because I really thought that this would be a lot more difficult. And here it is. For most of these flowers, I don't even know what they are, honestly. I don't remember what these fragile petals are. They're so pretty. Most of the time I don't know what the name of the flower is. So after I press it like this, everything seems to be glued perfectly. I put it in the book for a few hours. So even though it's not warped at all, but I just want it to dry and to be completely flat, I think it can be left for a few hours or overnight. And now the second print. When I play with the composition, I don't have any plan and don't envision how it's going to look. I'm just selecting one flower at a time, one petal at a time, adding, removing, and allow my intuition to guide me. Here I will be quiet for a few minutes, and you're welcome to watch through the process. I hope you will find it worth of your precious time to see how easy it is to make your own beautiful summer collage. I was amazed how easy it is and how rewarding it is. And as always, I find this process to be very meditative. It's great for stress relief, and it's great for memorabilia, to collect those petals, those little flowers, and then put them on whatever background that you choose. So the result is great. I love it. It's beautiful. Everything looks just the way I wanted it to. And I hope you enjoy the process. I hope you enjoy this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. If you watched all the way through the end, you are amazing. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me. Let the rest of the summer be very kind to you and bring only wonderful things into your life.